Alright, so this video is going to cover changing clamshell anodes. Today we're going to do about a pair of trim tabs, but these could be used, the same process is used for rudders, struts, anything with a hole that you put the clamshell through. These are 185s. They're really small. We typically don't use these, but for this boat, it's a small boat here. So the trim tab's really small, so this is what it takes. The more common size would be 275s, 380s. 500s would be used on bigger boats. Probably I'd say about 60 footers and up. Anyways, tools we'll need: flathead screwdriver, scraper, sandpaper to clean the spot where the zinc goes. This is very important because you need a solid metal-metal contact with your anode and its host metal, the cathode. Otherwise it will be ineffective. So first we're going to remove the little zinc or anode. Now that we've got the old zinc off, we're going to scraper sandpaper, clean off the old slag from the old anode. There we go, nice and clean. Time for the install of the new anode. You always want to tighten the clamshells as tight as possible so they have a good connection and they don't come loose. Also, I always put them with the screws facing upwards, so they're not hanging down. They'll get hit when the boat's underway by debris, and you can also get a better tight on them. And in this case, you have to because the ram's in the way. And that's it.